A Japanese doctor raises an alert. What's behind the silent war between pharmacies and a vegetable that costs only 2 reais? Perhaps you've never noticed, but the answer might be right there on your plate, waiting to transform your life. You keep spending money on expensive medicines, while a people who live up to 100 years with enviable vitality use this as a natural pill. What you'll discover here may change your relationship with health, and maybe make you question what your doctor never told you. Stay until the end and get the ancient recipe they don't want you to discover: the 100-year juice. To start, place 2 cucumbers in a container and wash them with 5 tablespoons of baking soda and water. Baking soda is excellent for reducing acidity levels in the blood and urine, and also helps treat certain diseases. After washing the cucumbers, take half of one and cut it into small pieces. This common vegetable hides a powerful truth: a lot of youth disguised. Studies show that 97% of people who eat cucumber frequently have no idea that they're consuming the same antioxidants found in 600 reais supplements. That's right, and these antioxidants are direct allies against inflammation, chronic diseases, and premature aging. Cucumber fights 5 silent enemies: diabetes, high blood pressure, cholesterol, bloating, and aging. Think about it. How much is it worth to wake up feeling light, with no bloating, a clear mind, and exams improving month after month? And more importantly, without depending on expensive or chemical solutions. The second ingredient will be lemon. Take 1 lemon and cut it into small pieces. Lemon provides a large amount of vitamin C, potassium, and small amounts of other vitamins and minerals. For the last ingredient, we'll use half an orange. Cut the orange into small pieces. Orange is a powerful antioxidant and an excellent source of vitamin C, fiber, and potassium. Now, place all the ingredients into a blender. Add 400 milliliters of water and blend for 3 minutes. Straight from the Mediterranean archives. This juice is rich in potassium and silica, minerals that dilate blood vessels, reduce pressure, and regenerate tissues. Cucumber has a natural diuretic effect, which helps eliminate excess sodium and relieve the body, protecting the heart and brain. Moreover, it hydrates twice as much as pure water, thanks to natural electrolytes. It cleanses your intestines with noble fibers and strengthens your immunity day by day. Drink it on an empty stomach 3 times a week, then watch. Watch your fingers less swollen when you wake up, the numbers dropping in your tests, that inexplicable energy returning, your doctor's gaze trying to understand. And as this happens, you'll smile because you'll remember this video. You'll want to watch it again, and you'll feel like sharing it.